In this video, we'll dive into Metric Insights, a comprehensive business analytics platform that aims to make data reporting more accessible and user-friendly. Metric Insights is designed to help businesses with data visualization, allowing users to generate detailed reports and analyze complex data sets. Whether you're managing a large organization or a smaller team, Metric Insights offers tools that cater to both. Upon first visiting the platform, you'll notice a clean, modern interface that's relatively easy to navigate. There's a bit of a learning curve at first, especially if you're not familiar with business analytics tools, but once you get the hang of it, the experience becomes much smoother. One of the main features of Metric Insights is its ability to integrate with various data sources like databases, spreadsheets, and even cloud-based applications, making it easier for users to pull in data from multiple platforms. Setting up dashboards on Metric Insights is simple, with drag-and-drop functionality that allows you to create customized views of your data. You can select different visualizations like pie charts, line graphs, and bar charts, each of which is designed to present data clearly and intuitively. The platform also provides real-time data updates, which is a game changer for teams that rely on up-to-the-minute insights. However, one downside to Metric Insights is that its advanced features come with a higher price tag. For smaller businesses or those just starting with analytics, the platform might seem a bit overwhelming and costly. The learning curve is another challenge. While the platform is designed to be user-friendly, it can still take some time to understand how to make the most of all its features. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Gifmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. One of the more impressive aspects of Metric Insights is its collaboration features. It enables teams to share dashboards and insights easily, so everyone stays on the same page. This is great for organizations with multiple departments, as it allows different teams to create their own dashboards while still being able to access and share important company-wide metrics. Overall, Metric Insights is a powerful platform for businesses that need advanced analytics and data visualization tools. It's particularly suited for larger enterprises or data-driven teams that can fully utilize its features. However, the price and the learning curve might be deterrents for smaller organizations. If you're looking for a simple, affordable solution, there may be better options available. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best business tools available.